G'day again, guys. We have got a workout for us all to do together. We call it the 20-20-20 workout. It's a strength-based workout, but you're going to get the heart rate up too. That'll do. Thanks. All right, this is going to be a pretty challenging workout, guys, so don't say we didn't warn you. For each of the 7 exercises we've got, there's going to be 60 seconds of movement followed by 30 seconds of rest. Each of the 60 seconds will be broken into 3 20-second segments. Each one will start with 20 seconds of what we call an eccentric rep. And all that means is that you're going to go super slow on the way down for the entire 20 seconds. Then you'll do a 20-second rep, or 20 seconds of reps, followed by 20 seconds of another really slow eccentric rep. If it doesn't make sense, don't worry, it will when we all do it together. We've got some lunges, some push-ups, a row, some glute bridges, and something for your core as well. So a full body strength workout that is going to be really challenging for some and just enough for others. It's going to be 10 minutes in total, and like all our HeroFit at home workouts, you'll repeat that 10 minutes as many times as your situation allows. Do it once now, once later, or 3 times back to back for a really challenging workout. It's entirely up to you, your level, and your body. So listen to it because no one knows it like you. All right, let's get started. Some space on the floor, no equipment required, a hero dog if you've got one, and we are going to start very shortly with a lunge. Now, just a quick note on the lunge. Let me pop that up a little bit there. The lunge, you want to end up in this position. Can you see how we've got right angles everywhere? Right angles here, right angles here, and that's the position we want to end up in at the bottom of the first 20 seconds. So check that first, and then we're going to start in this tall position. But make sure at the bottom position, you've got 90 degrees everywhere. All right, let's kick off in 5 seconds. We're going to have left foot forward, right foot back, standing nice and tall, and here's our 20-second very slow eccentric rep. So we want more of the load through the front leg than the back leg. So push hard through this front foot and lean a little bit forward so as we load through the glute. We've got 3, 2, 1, and 20 seconds of reps. Stay in that same position. This is our lunge on our left leg, so try and feel more through the left than the right here. 5 more seconds, and then we're going to start at the top and go down slow for 20 seconds. And up at the top, down nice and slow. We've nearly finished this first lunge, and then we'll have 30 seconds of rest. Nice and tall through the chest, shoulders down away from ears. How's that left leg going? 5, 4, 3, and done. All right, 30 seconds of rest. Then we rest the legs and throw in a push-up. Now with the push-up, you can be on the floor here, but remember we're going slow for 20 seconds to start. So rather than drop to your knees, if you don't think you can do it on the ground, elevate your hands and make it more achievable that way. We're going to start the push-up in 5 seconds. And we're starting at the top, hands directly below shoulders, and nice and slow, 20-second eccentric rep. All the way down, starting to feel it through chest and shoulders now. 5, 4, 3, and 20 seconds of reps. Keep your core strong. We don't want this. We want a nice strong core, strong shoulders. 5 more seconds of reps. And 20-second eccentric rep to finish the push-ups. Keep your ears away from your shoulders here. 10 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and push up done. Have another 30 seconds rest. We're going to swap to the other lunge now. So you're going to end up after the first 20 seconds in this position. So check you've got 90 degrees everywhere. Grab a drink if you need to. Pat your hero dog if you can. And in 10 seconds, we're going to start in the top of the lunge with your right leg forward and left leg back. 5, 4, 3, and top of the lunge down for 20 seconds. Loading your right leg, your front leg more than your back leg. So your back leg is more for balance, the right leg is more for load. Nearly there, 5 more seconds. You should be feeling that through this quad. Lean forward to get it through the glute as well. 20 seconds of reps here. Ten seconds. 5. And then at the top of the lunge again. All the way down for 20 seconds to finish off lunges. Nearly there. Feel that through the glute here, through the quad. Burning, no doubt. 5 more seconds. Hold out. 3, 2, 1. Done. Have 30 seconds rest. We go into a row now. So we're going to lie on the floor if Hero Dog will let us. In here. Watch out, Hero Dog. And lift your chest off the floor. Point your chin to the ground. And we're going to squeeze in this position to start. In 5, 4, 3, shoulder blades together. Chest off the ground. And we're going to squeeze. So rather than an eccentric rep here, we're just squeezing for 20 seconds. Squeeze your glutes here to take the load off your lower back. Thanks, Hero Dog. Come here. Yeah, good boy. Squeezing and reps now. 20 seconds of reps. Squeezing shoulder blades together. Don't look up like this. We don't want tension in your neck. Waiting for the beat. 20 seconds nearly done. Bring your elbows off the ground and squeeze to finish. 20 seconds of squeeze to finish. Shoulder blades together. Bring your elbows together as close as possible. Nearly done with shoulders and back. Done. 30 seconds of rest. Now we hit lower body again. Give those shoulders and your back a rest. We're going for a glute bridge now. Glute bridge on the left. So you're going to start in the position, one leg in the air. Let's go right leg in the air. Push hard, and in 5 seconds we're going to start lowering your bum to the ground. Off you go, Hero Dog. Nice and slow. All the way to the ground in 20 seconds. Down, down, down. Keep the tension through that left heel here. And when we're going for reps, when we get the beat. And reps. Push hard through your left heel and push your hips high. Oh, we've got a hero cat somewhere. Push hard through your left heel. 20 seconds of reps, and then start at the top and lower yourself all the way down. There we go. Down to the ground here. Hamstring and glute should be on fire. Shouldn't they, Hero Dog? Off you go. Good boy. Good. All the way down. Keep the tension in that heel and in that glute. All the way down, waiting for the beat. Done. Have a rest for 30 seconds. Then we've got core coming up. A little bit different with core. We're going a hollow hold, bicycle crunches, and finish with the hollow hold. So 15 seconds, you're going to set up in this position. Lower back hard into the floor, and you're going to push your feet and your hands as far away from one another as you can. For some of us that will be here, for others it will be here. Hold out with your hands and your feet as far away as you can for 20 seconds here. Lift your shoulder blades off the ground to get core engaged. And into bicycle crunches when we hear that beat. 20 seconds, go. Look up at the roof to take your tension out of your neck. Opposite knee to opposite elbow. Bicycle crunches for 20 and then finish with the hollow hold again. Here, over here. Watch out, hero dog. Hollow hold for the last 20 guys. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, hero dog, you're a dag. Core done. Last glute bridge to go. We started on the left. Let's finish on the right. Up here. And we're going down nice and slow for the count of 20. Push through your right heel here. Nearly there. 20 seconds of reps coming up. And push hard through your right heel. You're going to get drive through your glute, through your hamstring. Strong posterior chain. Important for good postural health. Push hard. We're nearly at the end of the reps. And we're lowering for 20 now. You've got a strong posterior chain, strong behind. You're far less likely to have any back issues. Slowly down to the ground here. Nearly there, waiting for the beat. And done. That is our 20-20-20 workout. Thank you for joining us again. Here comes Hero Dog to say thanks. What do you say, Hero Dog? Thank you. All right, thanks guys. Hope you enjoyed that one. Try it again a couple of times throughout the day or back to back after you've had a short rest. Listen to your body. You know it better than anybody else. And we will see you next time we're back. Subscribe up here, watch the other videos down here, and don't forget to send us all your videos of you guys being HeroFit at home. See you soon.